Dude, this is sick. Pop the hood. Or is it popped? Yeah, it is. What's up, guys? Show Off 3x4 here, bringing you another vlog. Pretty exciting day today, and I'm not gonna do all the talking because Marty's gonna know more about it than I do. But right now, come on. Right now, we are on the way to go pick up something a little special. You changing your tire fluid?
Yeah. Had to switch from summer to winter.
Oh yeah, makes sense. I'm ready to see this.
Greasy.
Here she is. Damn. Oh yeah, dude, it's got that like signature back end.
Look at the door. How it's flat on there. On top. Looks sick.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Dude, it's really like yeah, it's dusty, but like
Yeah, it's not in bad shape.
it really isn't.
Like he parked it inside.
This is sick, dude. 4-speed. So, all right, Marty, give him the rundown. Or I guess correct me if I'm wrong. 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass with what you think it's a 350? It's a convertible 4-speed Hearst edition. Dude, this is sick. Pop the hood. Or is it popped? Yeah, it is. Let me grab a light for you guys. So we had to go get an air compressor because, as you guys saw, the tire is pretty flat. We're hoping that it'll hold air for at least to get it on the trailer, because it looks like it's off the beat a little bit, but I hope if we put enough air in there, it'll pop back on, because it's really not, doesn't look that bad, so I guess we'll figure it out. All right, we got the air compressor.
I don't want to leave it outside.
We're gonna try and move this car because the transmission's kind of weird. We don't know if it's like stuck in gear or what. And then we're gonna see how easy it moves with the tires and everything. 1 second, let me go over. All right.
Alright guys, it's officially out of the corner. Let's all take a moment. We'll go all the way around it now that we can. I'll give it to Zach because he's a lot better at showing up.
Here she is, ladies and gentlemen. Update. We had to move the horse trailer out to get the car out, so we moved the horse trailer back in there and we left the car in there and we're on the way to get the car haul right now. All right, got the truck hooked up to the trailer. It's time to bring this car home, dude. Well, boys and girls, there she is, sitting on the truck. Got her on there. It wasn't too hard. She just come along, and then I'm probably gonna have to get going soon. But Marty might take the camera over. He's gonna wash her down, and it's gonna be pretty sweet. Look at this. There's a mouse skull on the on the floor.
This is a true barn find.
This is definitely a barn find, dude. All right, how do you want this picture?
Whatever you think, man.
All right, guys, what is up? Hope everyone had a good Christmas. It's actually Christmas night right now while I'm ending this video. Pretty stoked on the new car that Marty picked up. If you missed it, it's a 1968 Oldsmobile Cutlass 4-speed Hearst Edition convertible. He bought it and he's gonna be restoring it. And I'm hoping I'm gonna be filming more of this than I did the square body, if you guys are following that, hopefully. But really excited. Basically his goal with this one is just to get it running so he can drive something while he fixes up the square body. And also, I just wanted to give a big thanks so far in the past, like since little before Thanksgiving. I had 300 subs, and right now I have 430, 429, 430, something like that. I just want to say a huge thank you, and my views, especially for one video, have been going up. If you're watching this, I do plan to go to Rex's sometimes and get some more footage of him working on the S10. One, because you guys really like, I've been getting, that video's been taken off, one, and two, haven't hung up in a while and kind of miss it, so hopefully to go over there and work on that with him. And so yeah, I just want to say big thanks for all the subs, and I'm going to try and get a lot of videos up and be working on my car and working on the motor a lot more. So hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.